A day in my life as an irregular student sa new school. Hi guys! Story time. Ay wag na! I'm in a drive-thru sa Jollibee. Because my boyfriend wants to, hatid sundo me. Oh, hatid sundo me. Gusto niya akong hatid sundo. So, why not? Free ride, right? Sana ba sa mag-commute, di ba? Charot. Kala mo nepo, baby. So, guys, nito kami ngayon sa school and currently, kumakain na kami. Kasi, look, tignan nyo. Ayan, may parade na nangyayari sa school. Hindi kami makapark. Ayan sila. So, we have to eat inside the car and wait for them to finish. Uy, patapos na! Hay nako. Guys, here we are in the National Museum of
Portal. May portal pa pa yung taas. Ay, gusto ko yung Manila Ocean Park.
Jack!
Guys, welcome to Manila Ocean Park.
Okay, sige, silip ka. Hi guys, so look at us. Nandito kami ngayon sa National Museum and right now we're in the Marine Realm. These are the, look. Ayan. Ayan ang makikita niya dito. Especially this one. And, magaling siya. Si Merito.
This fish is good.
Baka masarap siya.
Talented.
Masarap yung si Urchin.
Ay, hindi ko nagustuhan mahal siya sa akin. For me, it's balansa.
Balansa siya, pero masarap kasi yung suka.
Oh, with suka. Pag masarap yung suka, di ba? Okay, next guys. Let's go.
Magda-dive?
Yeah.
Ayun. Oo, sa Boracay.
So now, mag-iikot lang kami. Wala kaming class today. And right now, pupunta lang kami kung saan-saan. Saan na ba tayo? Pupunta na kami ng...
Papunta na tayo ng PGV.
Pupunta na kami ng ng other side of the museum. Mag-vlog na talaga ako, sabi. Kasi pag ako nag-influencer.
Ka? Yung biglang mag-ano into something na trending.
Okay, so, right now, andito na kami ngayon sa fourth floor. Hindi ko alam sa kami pa. Sana to? Naka 0.5 to, gaga. So, pupunta kami ngayon sa fourth floor. Kailangan mo ko i-guide. And then, mag-iikot lang kami around. Tapos mamaya pupunta na kami ng Intramuros. Right?
Yung
Intramuros and Cafe. And then, uwi na kami.
mag-hike sana tayo. Sa totoo lang. So,
Mag-vlog. Oh, go.
let's go. Hi guys, so welcome on National Museum. Now I'm going to tour you here in this part of this museum, wherein you can see on this very corner the land that was created by the masterpiece of our master. On this side, you can see eagles. What's that? Sorry, I forgot the line. Swampland. Chicana painted snipe. You know, just a fact for this animal, greater painted snipe. It was good at sniping because they are. Really good po. Okay, come on.
Next,
However, for this part, you can see they are so adorable, right? Adorable like this tour guide. And then, and look at my customers. They rented me free. Imagine the privilege.
Next na.
Now, let's go to this side.
Bawal dyan, tanga. Mali naman tong tour guide na to.
Pagod na ako mag-tour guide. Welcome to National Museum. Reporter!
Okay, let's go.
Okay, so dito tayo. This is the undercover of darkness, the nocturnal life in freshwater wetlands. Ano pa ka naman?
Wow!
This is the Philippine crocodile. Pakita mo, Philippine crocodile.
Philippine crocodile. Wow! Ang laki! Karap yan ah.
Now let's go to this side. Sino pinakamasarap na river?
River yun, masarap yun. Yun, masarap yun. Masarap yun.
River ng PBB. Ay! Sino yun? Si Bianca. Ito si Bianca yun. Si Jay.
Hoy, character. In
Nepo
character
baby.
ka. In character.
Okay, so right now, this is the marbled monitor lizard, wherein the marbled monitor lizard is a large species of monitor lizard in the Philippines.
Wow! That's so very informative.
Yes, thank you. And right now, we're going here. Show them this one. Ulam namin yun.
Wow!
As you can see here, this is called escargot.
Escargot.
Yeah, in Paris, France, this is a delicacy.
Delicacy.
Yeah.
Wow!
This is ala. Ala.
Ala.
This is ginataang suso.
So, wow! You like that?
Yes. This is a crawfish.
Crawfish.
Did you know that in Korea, they considered crawfish as insects or parang mga panira ng
Hey, English only.
So very hard. Ay, this one. This is Mary. No,
What do you
this
mean?
Is this is
Oh my god! Oh my god! Kaya nga eh. Akala ko to. Zaid?
This is your Chris Ella.
No.
This is Kathleen.
Hindi. Tanga yun yung pinalit sa akin. Kala mo maganda eh.
Tama na nga. Tama na. Next na tayo.
Okay. Ang aesthetic
Cup.
Hi, Angel. Ikaw ba si Angel ng buhay ko?
Yeah.
Wow! Ito si demonyo ng buhay ko?
Hi guys, so welcome to our vlog. Ito yung intro. So right now, dito kami ngayon pupunta na kami ng 5th floor.
Fifth floor, pagod na ako maglakad.
Sa kabila ba? Sa kabila lang.
Okay. Ay, na-compare tayo. Hindi na takpan mo kami. Bakit niya? Wow! Ito na yun, natuloy din. Wow! Kala ko di ba pang jowa yan? Di ba pang jowa yan?
You know, Ay, alam ko na. Lagyan mo ng little one.
Ano talaga ito? Gago talaga to.
I know.
Gago eh. Hindi ko yan kinada.
Wait lang kami. 1, 2, 3, go.
Wow!
Talaga may sound.
Magjawa kayo? May bata na.
Ay, kamay natin lima.
Go.
Okay, saan tayo pupunta? Saan?
Doon sa gitna.
Sa gitna raw. Hindi ko alam saan dyan eh.
Yun.
Turo ng turo eh. Saan pa? Minsan pa?
Pupunta tayo dito, oh.
Saan na? Ito, Palawan.
Di ba na doon
Oo.
kasi Indonesia?
Oh, Indonesia na dito. Yan, doon.
Bali,
Yung Bali niya.
Bali.
Mababalian kita. Tama. Guys, dito na tayo sa museum. Oh my God! Live! Very... Live art!
Go, shark. shark. Oh, shark. Sa pinakamaliit. Pinakamaliit. Yan.
Alam na tayo mag-ganyan. Dila.
Oh, next. Yan. Okay, next. Ganito ka mag-video, Mario. Pindutin mo to. Okay, ay, ako naman. Ganyan, pindutin mo yun ah. Dandahan mo naman, ang pangit na, nagalaw lang.
Sayang yung shadow.
Ano yung storage ko? Nakikita niyo ba yan? Ammonite. 160 million years ago.